Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's Monday morning and I'm full of energy back with a brand new video. So guys, today's video is going to be like super fun and also very exciting at the same time. Now that is because we got some mystery packages delivered to my place. And as soon as I got them, I took my camera and started making this video. Thing is, there is nothing mentioned on these packages guys. No name of the product, no name of the brand also. So I have no idea who sent these packages or what's inside these packages also. Now that is making me like very curious. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and check out. We've got two boxes over here guys. One is this rectangular sort of package, and it's not that heavy also, whereas the other one is a square box and actually has my name on it. It says Vimal over here, can you see? So yeah, this one is a bit heavy, I can say. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking it out guys. So which one should we actually start with? Let's start with the big box because I love big items. Alright guys, so as I've told you, this is the product we'll be unboxing first. Now I'm not sure what's inside this. I hope it is something related to tech only and not something like food or any sort of gift or anything. Anyways, there is nothing mentioned on it, so let's quickly unbox it and check out the product. Who could have sent it to me guys? Anything new launching these days, this week? I know there is Samsung's new phone launching, but I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be this big box. If you guys have any idea or you want to guess anything before I unbox and show it to you, let me know in the comment section down below and let's see how many of you could get it right. Now that was tough. Okay, simple cardboard box. No mention of the brand or product here also. Man, these guys put some heavy duty packaging stuff over here. Lots of tapes and seals. Whew. Oh, guys, this is from Zebronics, and we've got something over here. What is this? Okay guys, so this is like a special package from Zebronics. It says that they're celebrating their 25 years of excellence. So it's been like 25 years since Zebronics has been established. So that is awesome. Congratulations Zebronics, and thank you for sending the surprise package. I had no idea about this thing. So let me just quickly open this small package and see. There's also one more product over here guys. We'll come to there in a moment. First let me unbox this thing and show you. Oh, okay, there's a greeting card over here and also a diary. I think this is their special 25 years of excellence diary guys. Something exclusive that only media might get. Anyways, thank you Zebronics for this. And there's also a card over here guys that says hi Vimal and all that other stuff. You can just pause the video and read it if you guys are interested. Again, thank you Zebronics for this. I'll definitely have a look at this at a later part. Now comes the fun part guys. Now I'm pretty sure you guys are excited like what this tech item is, right? So let me quickly unbox it and show you. Ta-ta-na! Okay, it's a brand new gaming headset guys. It's called the Zeb Blitz. Oh, now that too, this is Dolby Atmos gaming headset guys with RGB lighting. I've actually been seeing a lot of ads about this headset, and this is what they've sent it to me. Pretty cool. We'll just come back to this headset in a moment. I'm gonna unbox and show you how this thing looks like. And now I'm curious to know what's inside this second package guys. Okay, did you guys notice? It says demon over here. Now that is making me quite curious. What could be called as a demon? Nice. Something to complement a headphone maybe, or is this a mini keyboard, like a 60% keyboard, because the size and shape looks like that only, right? How many of you guys think it's a keyboard? We're gonna know anyhow in a couple of minutes. Double dhamaka gift from Zebronics today. So guys, this product is actually called as the Demon. It's called the Zeb Demon. And there you go. This is what they've sent us. So guys, the Zeb Demon, it's a premium RGB gaming headphone stand. I mean, just look at this thing. Looks so cool, right? So guys, this is what Zebronics has sent us. One is their brand new gaming headset and the other one is an RGB gaming headphone stand. So let's quickly unbox and show you how this headset looks like. It comes in this sort of box packaging. Model is Zeb Blitz. It's a 7.1 wired premium gaming headset made for your PC. And best part about it is it also supports Dolby Atmos, guys, and that too at a very affordable price point. This headset costs only around like 2,100 rupees or something like that. I'll tell you about the exact details at the end of this video. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox it and check it out. There's nothing much written on the box packaging, guys. And by the way, the headset is available in like two different colors, black and white. I wonder which one they sent us. And here you go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at this baby. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This thing looks massive. I've never seen such a giant headset. Is this actually made for humans? Looks like it's made for some sort of giants, you know. Anyways, there you go, guys. Our first look at the Zeb Blitz 7.1 Dolby Atmos gaming headset from Zebronics. And we have the black color edition. Looks quite good and also quite large actually. Let me just put them on and show you. Oh boy. What do you think about the headset look, guys? Is it too big for me? But let me tell you, in spite it looks like that, now it's actually quite comfortable. It's not that heavy also, guys. And cushions on it feel quite comfortable and soft actually. Very nice. And as I've told you, it's a wired gaming headset and is compatible only with PC or laptop. I'll just quickly put it in my PC and show you the RGB lighting as well. And plugged in. There you go. This is how the Zeb Blitz gaming headset looks like. It's got this beautiful RGB lighting on both the ear cups over here, and the RGB lighting on it is also adjustable using a button on this controller over here, controller module. You've got like 5 RGB lightings and looks quite attractive. Anyways, this is just like an unboxing and first look at the headset, right? I can't share like my review or anything on it because I have to use it for a couple of days and then only I'll be able to share my details about the audio quality or maybe gaming feel or the comfort and these sort of stuff. So we'll definitely cover that in maybe one of my upcoming videos after I use the headset for a couple of days. So let me just keep it aside and we'll also check out the second product that Zebronics has sent us. So this is the second item they've sent us, guys. It's a premium RGB headphone stand, and not only stand, it also acts like a hub, guys. That means it also has like a couple of USB ports on it where you can easily connect any external devices like maybe storage drives, pen drives, or you can even connect like extra peripherals in case your PC is not having lots of ports on the front. This can be quite useful. And on top of that, it also has like a 3.5mm audio jack as well, so you can directly plug in the headphones or headset directly into this thing only. No need of plugging it and struggling with plugging it in your PC. So it's quite useful actually. Now this is also not that expensive, guys. It costs only around like 1500 or 1600 rupees, I guess. So yeah, let's quickly open it and show you. There you go. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, this is quite big in size, guys, and actually quite heavy for a hub. Very good build quality. This is how the Zebronics Zeb Demon looks like, and you've got 2 stands in the package. Let me quickly fix the stands on it and show you how the actual final product looks like. You've got simple plastic stands that you need to push on the bottom of the device, and there you go. This is how it looks like. This is how it's gonna stand, and let me tell you, build quality of the product is very good. It's got this beautiful grayish silver sort of finish in a matte coating and looks very good, guys. Top-notch build quality. And you see this front RGB strip over here. This is going to glow in RGB, and the RGB lighting on it is also adjustable as well. And there you go. You've got a couple of ports, as I mentioned. You've got 2 USB ports. You can connect any external USB devices like pen drives or any sort of peripherals also. And then there's also an 3.5mm audio jack, guys. You can directly connect your headphones, microphone, anything directly to this thing. And voila, ta-da! Nice. So this is how the RGB stand, Zeb Demon RGB stand looks like, and our gaming headset. And you can simply place your gaming headset like this on the stand whenever you're not using it. Perfectly compatible products. Pretty nice, right? So that's it for today, guys. Our unboxing and first look at these brand new gaming products from Zebronics. So what I'll do is I'll use them for a couple of days, and after that I'll be able to share like my full review and experience on them. And if you have any other questions that you would like to know, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely cover that in my next video. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.